We will be discussing about DGCA's new online on-demand exam pattern today. First, we'll go what exactly is OLODE and how it will benefit aspiring pilots. Then we will discuss how you can take the best advantage of this new exam pattern. After grim situation in aviation industry in past 2 years, we could now see light at the end of the tunnel. Good news like Akasa placing orders for 72 Boeing 737 MAX aircraft, domestic flight operations more than that of pre-COVID times, airlines starting new routes. We knew that aviation will bounce back, but we had no idea how. And here we stand strong in the end of 2021, witnessing recovery through one of the biggest downturns of aviation industry. As a result of this recovery, there's soon going to be demand for pilots. When there's growth in any industry, there are more jobs available, more vacancies, and to cater for this demand, more efficient way of pilot training programs are needed. DGCA is digitalizing its services, getting more and more advanced day by day. With tools like EGCA, OLODE, Pariksha, DGCA is also modernizing their services. As a result, it's getting more and more convenient for aspiring pilots to go after their dream of becoming an airline pilot. Let's get to the topic that this video is about. Hello everyone, this is Winged Engineer here. I am cadet pilot of an airline in India and I make these videos to help aspiring pilots with my knowledge and experience that I have had so far in my aviation career. So what exactly is online on-demand examination? When I did my CPL in the US, I did give 3 FAA written knowledge tests, private, instrument and commercial. The way these exams would be conducted was like I would pick a date for my exam whenever I want on demand. Then there would be an on-demand scheduled ground school for those exams, and then as I feel ready for the exams, I would go and appear for respective exam. It was simple, convenient and really efficient. But when I was about to get back to India to appear for my DCA exams, it wasn't like that. There were only 30 days between my arrival to India and my DCA exams. If I would have missed this attempt, then I would have lost 4 months of time just waiting for the next exam to be conducted. Well, I was dedicated to make it work in less than 30 days and lucky to have CNTA to prepare for the same in 30 days. Finally, as a result of my effort and CNTA's on-demand training, I could clear all the 3 exams in very first attempt. With exams happening only 4 times per year, it was really inconvenient for aspiring pilots. Well, that's a matter of past. It has been in talks for over 2 years now. Like FAA knowledge test, DCA also decided to conduct online on-demand exams. In October 2021, Directorate General of Civil Aviation said it has introduced a new online on-demand examination in addition to the existing regular online examinations this year for aircraft maintenance engineers and flight crew candidates. With a view to improve the availability of pilots, the DGCA will hold written examination every month. This license examination provides an opportunity to the candidates to choose date and time to appear for the examination as per his or her choice on the available slots of the examination. The limited seats will be available to candidates on first come first serve basis. The first session of OLODE will be conducted at New Delhi Center only, and subsequently this may be extended to other metro cities as well. The introduction of OLODE will increase the frequency of required licensing examination and will provide more opportunities to aspiring candidates to complete their licensing requirement process at a faster rate. This will also facilitate those candidates who were affected due to COVID-19 pandemic during the last 2 years. Shakti Lumba, former operations head at Alliance Air and Indigo, said on Twitter that this was required and is a good move by the regulator. Missing on attempts was so common in the past. You did not get computer number before application date, 4 months gone. For some reason, you are not able to appear for an attempt, 4 months gone. Now, you don't have to be worried about losing 3 to 4 months anymore. Just like FAA, now you can pick a date for your exams, prepare with a schedule for respective subject and succeed in DGCA exam. This will also help candidate to possibly reduce their expense on recency. That being said, I highly recommend clearing DGCA exams before going for flight training. Now let's discuss how you can take full advantage of... Oh wait, did you press the like button yet? I know you did. If you haven't, then now is a good time to do that. I try my best to help you with these videos. I would really appreciate if you could extend me a bit of help from smashing that like button. Back to the video. Now let's discuss how you can take full advantage of this new DGCA OLODE pattern. Now what this really means for you and how can you take advantage of this examination pattern. Make sure you watch this video till the end and your question will be answered. I have seen students waiting for 1 to 2 months to join a batch for DGCA ground school. You might be thinking, why is it so? Because the offline, online, live ground classes start on a particular day. In case you miss the date, you will have to wait for the next batch to start. Wouldn't it be great if you can start preparation for your DGCA exams on demand like the new exam pattern? Yes, it is possible thanks to CNTA, the pilot ground school. CNTA provides customized paced course accessible anytime, anywhere to clear your papers in the very first attempt. The day you join, the course immediately opens for you. Captain Neha herself gives you a customized schedule to follow, which will finish your syllabus well in advance before your planned exam. You are provided with the best of the knowledge by Captain Neha herself. Detailed yet simple to understand explanation of concept, audio-visual presentation, problems and doubt solving will make you all get up to succeed in your exams. Why I am saying this? And that's because I have done it myself. And I am in love with the way CNTA is structured. I myself have cleared DGCA papers in 30 days thanks to Captain Neha for designing the course so efficiently that I was able to clear in my very first attempt. If you haven't checked out that video, check it out by clicking here. And if you are looking to start your aviation career, I would recommend to start your journey by enrolling yourself into CNTA. I am saying this because it has helped me and I truly believe that this will help you. Now you might be wondering, how can I directly enroll without getting a feel of it? I completely get it. You can sign up and check out CNTA's demo lectures. Link is in the description. When I was looking for a ground school, people were suggesting me to go to Delhi Ramphal Chowk for it. I was like, if I can learn from the best while sitting at home, why would I go through the hassle to go to Delhi, live in a hostel and spend extra money on traveling, accommodation and food for 3 months? Joining CNTA was by far the best decision I took to clear my DGCA papers. I definitely saved time and money due to their on-demand DGCA course by CNTA. Being a morning person, it was very easy to access the course early in the morning. I would start studying at 6 AM and complete most of my studies in the morning itself. Had I been enrolled in any other ground school, it wouldn't be possible for me to clear exam in 30 days because I would have followed the pace of the class. I strongly believe that not everyone learns at the same pace. Some do it fast, some do it with a bit lesser speed, some need more revision, some don't. CNTA facilitates all of this into its learning platform. You can study anytime, anywhere. It's like there's no reason for you not to clear DGCA exams. The only outcome that remains is success in DGCA exams. If you have watched this video till here, you are definitely serious about your career as a pilot and you should definitely check out the demo lectures at CNTA. Link is in the description. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Be awesome, fly safe and happy landings.